we have Kajal Malik, the co-founder of PickMyWork. Founded in 2019, PickMyWork is a gig platform that sources and trains agents to help digital companies acquire clients through a pay-per-task model. This means that the digital companies acquire clients at a low acquisition cost.
So it actually stems from what I was talking about, the permission culture. And while you cannot change the ecosystem around you very fast, the one thing that you can do is how you communicate, right? So instead of taking permission, say, I want to do this, will you help me? And it is difficult to say no to something like that. When you take permission, you actually put the person in power to give you that permission. But when you request for help, it is extremely difficult to say no. So think about it, decide it, and then communicate it accordingly so that you have the might of your entire ecosystem, your family with you when you take that decision and stand up for yourself. So just that. And one more thing to the in general ecosystem, I want to say, because something I think which is troubling me a lot. Please stop with putting he, him everywhere. Please, women are also there. There is a salesperson. It is not a salesman. There is a saleswoman too in the world. In every call, I'm cringing that by default it's always he, him. No, it is not he, him. Women are everywhere too. I'm talking to you, for God's sake. Just try to acknowledge that women are there as well. The more we do it, the more women will feel included in everything. So it actually boils down to how you communicate. That's basically in general for the ecosystem.